Little Storyteller.
The colorful Gummy Bear Detective Agency, a cozy office filled with squishy chairs and rainbow-colored filing cabinets, buzzed with gentle excitement. Inspector Gumdrop, a wise old gummy bear with a magnifying glass almost as big as his head, gathered his team. Beside him stood his trusty assistant, Pip, a small speedy gummy bear with bright green skin, and Honey, a sweet thoughtful gummy bear whose golden color shimmered. "A very important recipe is missing," boomed Inspector Gumdrop, his voice like a soft rumble. "The recipe for the ultimate gummy bear. Someone has taken it." Pip zoomed around the room, his little green legs a blur. Honey gently patted a stack of sugar-dusted notebooks. "Who would do such a thing?" she asked softly, her golden eyes wide. Their first stop was the office of Mr. Sweetie, a rival candy detective with a long swirly mustache made of licorice and a monocle that sparkled. His office was filled with lollipops of all shapes and sizes. Mr. Sweetie was polishing a giant chocolate coin. "Did you take the recipe?" asked Inspector Gumdrop politely. Mr. Sweetie chuckled, a deep, sweet sound. "Why would I need another gummy bear recipe? Mine are already the best." He winked, and the light caught his sparkling monocle. Next they visited Professor Crumb, a very smart cookie who lived in a giant gingerbread house. He was surrounded by books and beakers filled with colorful sprinkles. Professor Crumb peered at them through his round spectacles. "The ultimate gummy bear recipe? Most interesting," he mumbled, tapping his head with a gingerbread finger. "But I have been busy inventing a machine that makes cookies that sing." He showed them a small oven, where a batch of gingerbread cookies was humming a happy tune. Feeling a little puzzled, Inspector Gumdrop, Pip and Honey returned to their office. Pip, still zooming, bumped into a stack of papers. They tumbled to the floor, revealing a small, colorful drawing. It was a picture of a brand new flavor of gummy bear, a swirl of strawberry and banana, with the missing recipe tucked underneath. Honey gasped. "Look, it's Barnaby Bear's drawing." Barnaby Bear was the youngest member of their team, still learning the ropes. They found Barnaby Bear happily mixing red and yellow goo in the kitchen. "Barnaby," exclaimed Inspector Gumdrop gently, "did you take the ultimate gummy bear recipe?" Barnaby's ears drooped. "I wanted to make a new flavor," he mumbled. "Strawberry and banana. I thought it would be a yummy surprise." He showed them a bowl of his swirly, colorful creation. Inspector Gumdrop smiled. "Barnaby, it's good to have ideas, but next time, please ask before taking a secret recipe. Now, let's all try your new strawberry banana gummy bears." Everyone agreed they were delicious. As they enjoyed the new treat, Honey said, "It's important to share our ideas, but it's also important to ask for permission." Pip nodded, his green cheeks bouncing. "And working together makes everything more fun." Inspector Gumdrop chuckled, a happy sound like jelly wobbling. "That's right, my little detectives. Teamwork and asking are always the best ingredients."
Please subscribe. Thank you.